PayPal is an online payment platform that facilitates transactions between individuals, businesses, and merchants. Here's how PayPal works. Account creation. Users sign up for a PayPal account, linking it to their account, credit card, or debit card. They can also store funds in their PayPal account. Sending money. Users can send money to others by entering the recipient's email address or phone number linked to their PayPal account. They choose the amount to send and confirm the transaction. Receiving money. When someone sends money to a PayPal user, the funds are deposited into their PayPal account. They can then transfer the funds to their linked bank account or keep them in their PayPal balance for future transactions. Online shopping. Many online merchants accept PayPal as a payment method. Users can select PayPal at checkout, log into their account, and complete the purchase without sharing their financial information with the merchant. International transactions. PayPal supports transactions in multiple currencies, making it convenient for international payments and purchases. Security. PayPal uses encryption and fraud prevention measures to protect users' financial information. Buyers are also protected by PayPal's purchase protection policy, which offers refunds for eligible purchases that don't arrive or are significantly different from the seller's description.